Quit yelling or you're gonna get a citation, understood?
Wait, I'm ordering my food.
Quiet, order your food.
What is my citation for? Oh yeah, that's a citation for what?
Don't take your sad inhibition home life out on somebody else, okay?
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. On October 8th of 2024, officers of the Montrose Police Department located a stolen vehicle, and after pulling it over, they worked to extract the occupants.
Okay, walk back. Walk backwards.
I got him.
Walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Walking. Stop. Go to your knees. Okay, on your back. Do not move, do you understand?
Driver, just keep your hands where we got them, where they're at. Let me know when you get her wrapped up. All right, driver, keeping your hands outside of the vehicle. Open the door from the outside, slowly. Face away from me. Face away! Keep your hands up. Grab the back of your shirt. The back, nope, from the collar, There you go. Pull it up. There you go. And I want you to turn around in a circle until I tell you to stop. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep turning. Keep turning. A walk back, straight back, in between the patrol vehicles.
Male's crippled.
Take your time. I don't want you to fall.
Go ahead, keep on coming back, sir. Slowly but surely. Stop. You're not going to go down to your knees, sir. Just go ahead and stay standing, okay?
You gotta put your hands behind your head, on top of your head.
They clear the vehicle, securing the occupants in their cruisers.
I can't really see the back, but I'll take the back quarter panel. Got back door. Brett, you got front door?
Yeah.
Okay. Move.
Clear.
Let me see back here.
Looks clear.
I'm gonna pop this. Oh, there it is.
Alright, so you're going to jail for the felony warrant out of Delta for the motor vehicle theft, and then you're getting charged again with another motor vehicle theft. Did you want to swing your legs in there?
The officers then call the vehicle's owner and search the contents.
You may have recovered that vehicle. Yeah, so we're trying to figure out, we're searching it right now. Trying to figure out, did you want to, it's fairly packed with a bunch of stuff in it. Did you want to have someone come get it?
The deputies have a bit of fun as they search through the car.
Yeah, the whole bag's mine now.
That's all.
They were in
That's
there.
all.
Distribution stuff too. There's powder in that one. Tinfoil.
You're allergic to aspirin. Really?
Yeah.
You need to do it?
No, I just don't eat it. I gotta suck my fingers. I don't know, I'll just put it in here and send it off. Yeah, I'm allergic to NSAIDs. I can't take them. I'll die.
Damn.
I got an EpiPen for it.
Another fucking bag of rocks. It's literally a bag of rocks.
That's the rocks in here. I like the rocks.
They're not even like quartz or anything. They're just regular like rocks.
During the search, they find an adult toy.
I'm so sorry. Okay, yeah, we can tow it to the M&H lot.
Alright.
And we gotta tow it to the M&H lot, and then you can just give them a call, and then you can. It's under my truck.
I have bags in my car.
At the bottom. Oh no, I found one too.
Oh no!
That is not as bad as the one you got.
Mine had a sticky ring on it. It was kind of cool. It's an easy storage.
Yeah.
Over the next 35 minutes, they keep their vehicles in the middle of the parking lot, all but blocking traffic to the A&W. A viewer pulled up to the fast food restaurant, intending to use the drive-thru. Frustrated by the obstruction, he shouted out his window.
Move your away, dick. And interfering people from getting their cheeseburgers.
Is that this black car right here?
No, it was the silver car that's in the that went through the drive-thru.
After yelling at the officers, he maneuvered his car through to place his order, but the insult was way too personal for Sergeant English. And while the driver was in the middle of placing his order, Sergeant English stepped between the car and the speaker, interfering with the man placing his order.
Quit yelling or you're gonna get a citation, understood? The lights are there. That means don't go by them, right?
By the way, I'm ordering my food.
Quiet. Order your food. Sam 6 listing.
So are you wanting the strangers in the combo or just by themselves?
The combo meal.
Are you wanting
Colorado 564 X-ray.
Sarge went to go contact that guy because he told us to move our car. He said, move out of the way, you fucking dick.
That's what he said?
Sergeant English threatened the man with a ticket for yelling at the officers, conduct that is clearly protected by the First Amendment and case law, such as Houston v. Hill, which states, the First Amendment protects a significant amount of verbal criticism and challenge directed at police officers. It further cites Terminiello v. Chicago. Speech is often provocative and challenging, but it is nevertheless protected against censorship or punishment, unless shown likely to produce a clear and present danger of serious substantive evil that rises far above public inconvenience, annoyance, or unrest. And in Spence v. Washington, the court held that if absolute assurance of tranquility is required, we may as well forget about free speech. Under such a requirement, the only free speech would consist of platitudes. That kind of speech does not need constitutional protection. The driver continued with his order, collected his food, and circled back around the parking lot, intending to confront Sergeant English about the threats. At first, he couldn't spot the sergeant, and Officer Baca approached him instead.
What's the problem?
That's blocking the road. They said nobody can get through the drive-thru for a half an hour.
When did they say that?
I just came through the drive-thru.
Okay.
They said, oh, you're the first one. Our drive-thru's been closed because
hasn't-
nobody can get through.
It hasn't been closed.
Yeah, well, because no one can get through.
It hasn't been closed. And you can
That's what they
very
said.
well go through.
That's what they said. So,
What's your name, man?
and I don't,
Down. This guy. Well, he put me off, so I went to talk to him. He said that they told him that the drive-thru's been closed for the last 30 minutes because of us, but so you can still go through. So he proceeds to say, you put me off, and dude,
Where's he at? Did he turn out yet?
turning right.
I'm gonna go stop him.
Okay.
Write him a ticket. If I can catch up to him.
Okay, thanks.
Officer Baca hears the criticism and moves her cruiser out of the center of the lane. Meanwhile, Sergeant English barrels out of the establishment's parking lot and chases the man down. After following him for a moment, Sergeant English initiates a traffic stop.
Sam 6 traffic.
You're gonna get a citation. I need your
For
driver's
what?
license.
For what? What is
You
my
be flipping
citation
people
for?
off.
Oh, yeah, that's a citation for what? For what?
Identify yourself.
No, I'm not. But
Okay.
what am I getting pulled over
Justin
for?
Scott, Jamie Scott, something like that.
Huh?
Any weapons in
There you go, bud.
Thank you.
Pile
buddy.
of shit. Fuck you.
That's why you're getting a ticket.
Oh, a ticket! For what, dumbass?
Several minutes later, Sergeant English returns.
Here, Mr. Smith, there's your driver's license back. Can I get a phone number for you?
Nope.
I didn't hear you.
Nope.
Nope. All right. So you get cited for disorderly conduct, obscene gesture, it's a $120 fine. You have a court date of November 28th, 2024 at Montrose Municipal Court. If you don't wish to pay the fine, you want to plead not guilty. If you do want to pay the fine, it's a $120 fine. Pay it before that November 28th date, okay? Information on the back of the citation on how to do that. You just need to sign on the X saying you'll take care of it beforehand or do it.
I'm not signing nothing.
I can't hear you, I'm sorry.
I'm not signing anything.
Okay. Refusing to sign?
Disorderly conduct.
Can't be going.
You're about an idiot. You're an idiot.
You're a dumbass. And that's why you're getting a citation.
Yeah. It's a citation. I'll beat it when I go to court.
That's what court's for. Okay. Now don't take your sad inhibitions on life out on somebody else, okay? Have a wonderful day. Sorry, English. That's why you're getting a ticket. Keep your mouth shut, please. Please continue. Please show me off. Have a good night.
The driver was issued a ticket for disorderly conduct, citing an obscene gesture as the reason. But many times on this channel and as recently as last week, we discussed obscenity and the Miller test, and clarified how an obscene gesture must be one of a sexual nature and must fail 3 specific benchmarks. This is perhaps why on November 15th, the charge of disorderly conduct obscene gesture was dropped, and in its place, a charge of interference with an officer was added.
She's gonna go pull that guy over. Give him a ticket. For what? Yeah, but he was like flipping me off and saying, and then I was like, well, what's going on? He said, well, the drive-thru was closed because you asked that night. It was not closed because you can clearly get into it. But also you can go inside and get your food.
Ironically, it was Sergeant English himself that violated, or at least came close to violating, the disorderly conduct ordinance when he placed the suction cup enhanced adult toy on the exterior of the stolen vehicle for all public to view, while in uniform as a supervisor representing the values of the Montrose Police Department. However, only the driver is scheduled to appear in court on December 8th for charges stemming from a blatantly retaliatory stop following a strictly verbal exchange with the officers, which is funny because Houston v. Hill also states that municipalities can punish an attempt to interfere with police officers only if it, quote, physically obstructs the officer's investigation. As we often see, the officers appear to be the least educated on the law, and simultaneously, the most un-American persons on scene. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and if updates become available, I'll be sure to let you know.